Good morning. So now we are heading towards Kumotuli. It's a very special place for every Bengali because it is associated with the biggest festival of Bengali people, the Durga Puja. The potters of Kumotuli make clay idols of different gods and goddesses of Hindu religion. So we will get to see many clay idols there.
Yay! Kumotuli is about 5.5 km from our hotel, but it's taking too long.
Because of the traffic, of course.
And it's again signal, I guess.
That guy, look at that guy. He looks tired. He's sleeping.
See the tram lines.
Yes, I think you can see the tram line from within the taxi. Actually, Kolkata was the first city in Asia to get the electric tram in 1902. And the tram cars were imported from England.
Can you see the red building on the right side?
Yes, yes.
Our Kumotuli starts from there.
The lane actually starts from there.
Yes. So finally made it to Kumotuli, yay! And it already feels good.
And now we are walking through the lanes of Kumotuli, and you can see the artists are very busy right now.
Because Durga Puja, the largest festival of the world, is around the corner.
Of the world of West Bengal, you know?
But the artists supply idols of gods and goddesses, and not only in West Bengal, but to various parts of country, and you know what, even abroad.
Yes, I know that.
So
How can we be always right, you know? There are so many busts of many famous personalities like Subhash Chandra, Indira Gandhi, Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay. Making the idols is a tiring job. It needs so much attention and patience, you know. The paint is not done yet.
still the lion looks really realistic. No?
Yes, yes. And look at this huge idol of Ma Kali, the Hindu goddess of power. That's our former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, son of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi.
Applying the base paints, detailing is yet to come.
So much attention. Let's not disturb them.
Yes.
And these are the completed idols.
And they are really cute, see? The internal structure is made with bamboo and dried straws, tied up tightly.
After that, they apply clay to transform it into beautiful idols.
And then comes the coloring.
And that's not it. The best part is yet to come. The idol then decorated with beautiful clothes, ornaments, weapons, and then it's ready for departure. In this workshop, the craftsmen are busy making these beautiful ornaments with thermocol, tinsel,
Sequins and color papers.
They make all the decorating stuff for the idols. This is actually the busiest time in Kumotuli, and during this time the potters earn the most. It was a nice experience visiting this place. Another airplane there, and I'm sure you can't see it.
We saw, I think, 3 to 4 aeroplanes in this short period of time.
Yes.
I
Because the airport is nearby, the Damdam airport, which is, by the way, now the Netaji Subhas International Airport. And we are gonna go there
After this puja. Yay.
after the Durga Puja.
Yes.
We are going to Goa,
Yay.
the much awaited trip. So before going back from here, she wanted to buy something from Kumotuli, and we came to this beautiful shop filled with handcrafted items and artificial flowers and all that. The prices are fixed here, so you can't bargain
And I think you should not.
because it's all handcrafted. Just look at me. I am all sweaty.
You are melting.
The weather is really humid,
And warm.
hot. Oh, I'm literally tired with the walking. Hey, cutie. Oh, there is another one. Hello. Hey, there is the big one. I think that's the mom. Hello. There comes another one.
Here you can feel the arrival of Devi Durga. Here the love is in the air. It feels really exciting to think that Durga Puja is fast approaching. This is the only festival the Bengalis wait all the year round.
It's almost 10:30 a.m. and we haven't had our breakfast yet. Rimu was quite hungry.
And on the way back, we are having some idli with coconut chutney and sambar all in one bowl.